Hi guys, Matt channel back, and today I'm going to be playing with these fidget spinners. So if you didn't see the last video, I was at my cousin's house and I left my other fidget spinners there, and I only took these two because these ones were in my bag and the other ones they were just like lying in his kitchen or on the fridge. Yeah, on the fridge. And then, yeah, so I could only take these home. And then I went outside last night and I found this one. And it spins really fast. But when you take the things out, they still spins. And could you see this? On these ones, well, so if you take the finger pads out off of this, and then it still spins perfectly, but the baddest thing is that these bearings are bigger than the bearings inside of these, and I'm not going to take this out because every time like I spin it, these things used to fall out, so I put super glue on them, so I'm not going to try to take them out. On this one, they don't come out. I've tried a million times, they do not come out. So I could try. No, they're not come out. So I was thinking I could try maybe this. Right, yeah, just let me try. Oh, it's not worked. Right, so I'm just going to be doing some tricks with this, and then I'm going to end the video, I guess. So a cool hack is, if you want to impress your friends, spin it and then catch it from side to side, which I did not just do. I can do it, I've done it before. I've done it before. And if you want a tip on how to do this, just put it up, don't put it down, put it like up. That was the thing that my friend told me, do not do that. I keep dropping this. Wait, I want to see something. Oh my gosh, the thing's coming out. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird. It just... I just really want to take all of these out and just see how it is. Come on, scissors, don't fail me now. Scissors help with everything. How could it not work now? I can't take it out. Okay, right then, I'm just gonna have to push it back in. And then put this back in. Really? My sister's watching Gossip Girl. I thought she was 2. Oh. Right. So there I got the bearings back in. So everyone says that they're called bearings or bearings, but they're not. They're called bearings. They're not called bearings. They're called bearings. These bits, and these bits are called finger pads. So yeah, now I'm just going to. What was I going to do again? Yeah, I was going to try to do like it work? It kind of worked. How would I show you this? Wait. If I got a bowl. Don't spell the bowl. Look at me. Like, because you can spin them all on top of each other. And that is basically what I'm doing. But yeah, it's not working right now. But yeah, this is another trick that you can do, which if you hold it with your thumb and your index finger, and then you get your middle finger and you just put it like in between it, like there, and then if you just flick your finger up, it spins. And you can also, you can hold it with your thumb and middle finger and then spin it away. This one, so watch. Yeah, and yeah, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you liked it. Yeah, and I will see you guys and girls in the next video. Good.